Nature needs us to go beyond our boundaries. We know that to safeguard its future, we need to create more spaces for nature that are bigger, better, and more joined up. Importantly, we need nature as much as it needs us. It underpins our very existence. Warwickshire Wildlife Trust is taking those steps to create something that is bigger, better, and more joined up for people and for wildlife. Having been at Brandon Marsh for nearly 40 years, building on the efforts of dedicated volunteers, the Trust had an opportunity to double its footprint in the area, and that has finally been achieved. This chance to come off the goal line for wildlife and provide a different kind of space for people is unique in our history. Creating an area larger than Hyde Park in London to reconnect people with wildlife is a step change in the approach to tackling these challenges our environment faces. Brandon Marsh is a special and fragile site, and now we have something exciting that brings nature to the people of Coventry's doorstep, literally reaching out to reconnect local people to the natural environment. Brandon Reach is a rich tapestry of habitats full of wildlife, ready to explore. Steeped in a history of varied land use, Brandon Reach is a rich mix of grassland, scrub and ancient woodland that provides a very real wild feel, even so close to the city. Including Piles Coppice within Brandon Reach, which is nestled next to Brandon Wood, this creates an almost unbounded access for people to the local landscape. It is early days for Brandon Reach, but future plans are already afoot. The Trust are keen to take Brandon Reach forward alongside the local community and existing visitors, ensuring that we can improve access and wild opportunities for people, whilst managing the habitats effectively to ensure the value for nature is maintained and improved. This builds on our ambition to make this area not just locally important, but nationally important as a nature reserve that brings people closer to nature in a land rich in wildlife. Welcome to Brandon Reach, your newest nature reserve.